Hey guys, I'm Drew Scott. Have you ever looked at a listing, an open house, you've walked through and you thought, why is this house even on the market? It's awful. Well, I'm actually taking your fan photos that you sent me, and I'm also taking you through some other listings out there to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is Setting the Stage. Misty from Knoxville sent me a photo of her bathroom. She's listing her home, but it's not selling. The work is not quite done, and she's asking, Drew, my house is about 95% done. I just want to sell it. Should I bother doing the last 5% or sell it as is? Misty, please, for the love of all, you have to finish the work. You could have 95% of the work done. You could have spent $100,000 on a renovation, but if you don't spend that last $5,000, buyers will probably offer you 20 grand less. It's worth finishing the last little bit of work. This is the picture Misty sent of her bathroom. Well, you can see she's trying to improve the space a little bit. She replaced the vanity, she's doing some painting, but the work isn't done. A half-finished space, even a 95% finished space, is not worth as much as just getting the project done. A little bit of paint, some floating shelves, and replace that shower door, and all of a sudden you have a beautiful space that buyers would love. Well, Misty, it's your lucky day. I found the perfect house to show you as an example of why you should finish all the work before listing. One thing to keep in mind, when you're saying your house is turnkey on the listing, you want to make sure it looks like it's move-in ready and it's polished. This house that's turnkey, you can see it has paint marks on the doors and walls, they have tape around the windows, they're missing some of their moldings, and also they're missing a closet door. That doesn't exactly say turnkey to me. As you come into the main area of this house, you can see they've done some updates, which is really great. It's a nice open floor plan. It's nice that you have an open flow from the living space into the kitchen, but what you don't want to have is all this clutter. Staging is so key to paint the picture for buyers. I know it's tough if you have kids, toys everywhere as you can see, food out on the counters, but if you have to show your house, you need to do a little bit of extra work to tuck everything away. One other bit of advice for tall buyers, don't have mirrors that are down at my chest level. I can't see anything with that. That is not a good sign when you have a big hole leading into the master bedroom. Missing doorknobs, missing paint, missing heat. Actually, we're above the garage right here and you can really feel the heat loss in this room way more than the rest of the house. It's a shame they're so close to being finished here. If they would literally just take one more day to paint, finish this room. I'm telling you right now, pineapples and pumps, that's not selling any house. Oh man. Okay, I understand if you have a family and you have a lot of stuff, but you have to put things away before you're listing a house. All this says to a buyer is that you have no storage. Having your washer up on the bedroom level and then your dryer down in the basement, that makes absolutely no sense. Overall, this house isn't terrible. I would say it's probably a 6 out of 10. This house would sell for so much more if it was just decluttered and all those odd jobs were finished. Well, the worst spot in this house is actually the master bedroom, but another day's work could have transformed that space into this beautiful, jaw-dropping master bedroom. Just a bit of paint, some baseboards, and some key furniture pieces turn that awful bedroom into a beautiful retreat. Well, I hope this has been a little bit of inspiration for you guys. I want you to show me your houses you've been trying to list. Send me a picture, use #GuruHub on social media. I'm gonna tell you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. This has been Setting the Stage on Guru Hub.